1. Ramen Noodles immediately knocking a cube off the post. Soccer kicking Twinkies, grabbing some green cubes into their collection system. They go up and drop 2 cubes into that first goal. Looks like Ramen Noodles is going to clear that loading zone. They're picking up cubes and dispensing them out the back of their robot. Soccer kicking Twinkies, dispensing some more cubes, and then also Travis. As we get to 25 seconds left, you must now switch Travis. Ramen Noodles trying to dispense as many of those cubes out of the zone as they can in time. It looks like all of the red posts are descored. Ramen Noodles looking them extremely fast. With 10 seconds left, Soccer Kicking Twinkies are trying to line up. With 5 seconds left, Ramen Noodles appears to have the full park. Moving back to the Spirit Field for qualification match 45, we have Forrest